안녕 하십니까? 제 이름은 미스 사미아샤미입니다. 저는 방글라데시 사람입니다. 제 나이는 21살입니다. 제 가족은 4명입니다. 아버지하고 어머니하고 형님이 있습니다. 저는 고등학교를 졸업했습니다. 저는 한국어와 한국문화에 대해 관심이 많아서 한국어를 배우고 있습니다. 감사합니다. Hello, my name is Miss Samia Shammi. I am from Bangladesh. I am 21 years old. My family consists of 4 people. I have a father, a mother and 1 elder brother. I have completed my SSC in Business Management and Technology. My SSC GPA is 4.58. I am learning Korean because I have a great interest in the Korean language and culture. Thank you. My academic plan. If I am able to study abroad at Konkuk University, I will first complete a Korean language course and improve my Korean language skill. After finishing the language, I would like to enroll in the Konkuk University, study hard for my bachelor's degree and graduate successfully. Follow that, I plan to pursue a master's degree as well. My future plan. After completing my study, I would like to return to Bangladesh and work in a field related to my major. I also want to contribute to the development in my country. Thank you.